So today on Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner Cooking, we are going to be making some like fruit bars, fruit balls. I've been craving something sweet and I'm trying to lose a little weight, so I'm going to do something a little different, and it's kind of an experiment. So here we go. So this is going to be a 10-ounce container of dates that I'm putting in this. So I'm going to put that in. And now I'm going to put a cup of walnuts. Don't want to get the ends of them in there. Okay. And I've got one package of sliced almonds, and it's 4 ounces. I'm going to put that in there too. So we'll see what we got. See if this thing goes. I'm not sure it's going to. See how this all goes. All right. Wish me luck. Come on, Seal. There we go. Okay. Let me bring that over a little more so you can see. It doesn't look like it's going into my balls like I want to, so I'm going to add a little bit of honey. So let's see. I'm going to add like 1-2 tablespoons of honey. Now it's doing it. Okay, I think we got it. So let me get my bowl out here. I think it worked. The honey helped it stick together, and honey is fattening, but it at least is natural, right? Okay. Take the blade out. Oh, these stuck together really good. All right. Now what I'm going to do, so I've got my coconut here, and I am going to take this. That might be enough. And I'm going to put these into balls, and look at that. It's like a, let me get that light over there a little bit more. See, it's like a nutty fruit ball. Fruit bowl. Okay, and I'm going to roll it in this coconut just to have it a little bit drier. I'm so excited. This turned out good. There's a lady in Turkey that does these, and I always thought, what a great idea for something sweet and something you can grab. And what I'm going to do is I think I'm actually going to keep these in the fridge so that they stay, fresh in a sealed container. But I suppose you could make them into bars or whatever you wanted to. But don't those look good? They kind of look like meatballs. But just to like get that sweet craving out, Just a few more here. I kind of wanted to see how many this made. I guess, I don't know what would be a good name for these. Fruit balls. That's good enough. And like I said, there's a little bit of honey, but that's not going to kill me. And it's better than eating a candy bar, you know? So I guess I'm about halfway done with these. And I don't have to keep you on here the whole time, but it looks like I got 5, looks like I got like 11, so I'll probably get more than 20 fruit balls out of this. And I was just really looking forward to having something sweet, you know, to eat. And I wanted to thank you all for the kind comments. I had a lady that, or I don't know, it might have been a man. I think it was a lady that gave me a comment that said, don't watch her. She doesn't measure properly and everything. But if any of you had been following me, I have tremors that I inherited from my parents. And if I took a spoon and tried to do a measurement, I would have it probably all over the counter. So if you're watching who gave me that comment, I just wanted to let you know that I'm doing the best that I can. And thank you all so much for watching. And remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. And love the Lord with all your heart. Bye now.